Hi guys, this is Mike at netbooklive.com and we're here today with the Lenovo ThinkPad Edge E220s. This is a 12.5-inch laptop from Lenovo and it's targeted to small and to medium business owners. I'm going to take a quick look at it today. We have it right here. It might seem that it comes in black, but it's actually a very dark green color, this one. And looks very nice. The exterior is covered in a rubberized plastic, as you can see. Same finish is used for the bottom and for the top, for the lid cover. Also, same finish is used inside. Device feels very nice, not very light, weighs like 3.3 pounds, so still pretty portable. And you can see it's pretty slick, measures like 0.9 inches in thickness. And it's overall very solid build. I particularly like this finish. Looks very nice and allows good grip. However, in time it will catch smudges. But besides that, should be reliable, should be scratch resistant and fingerprint proof. Right here on the hood you can see you have the Lenovo and the ThinkPad logo. Looks quite nice. Let's take a quick look at the sides of this device, starting with this part, the right side. What you have here is place for quick accessing storage drive. You can unscrew this and you get access to storage drive. You have here USB port, eSATA port, and HDMI, cooling fan here. On the back you have the screen hinges, as you can see, and here should be a 3G modem slot. This unit actually doesn't have it, but others will, and you will insert the SIM card here on the back, the other screen hinge, and right here on the left you have the PSU card reader, LAN adapter, VGA, another USB, and headphone and microphone jack. So this one comes with three USBs. Two of them are yellow, as you can see, this one and this other one, which means that they can be used to charge things up via USB when the device is closed. And this one acts as a combo eSATA and USB slot. And on the front you actually have nothing. And taking a quick look at the bottom, you notice that you can't easily access memory, and you also can't easily access the battery, because everything is encased in here. Still, this one comes with only one memory module, and you can access it by unscrewing all these screws here, all this. Okay, let's take a quick look at the inside. You can see the keyboard here. First of all, this is the keyboard, and it's a pretty nice keyboard, chiclet keyboard, the characteristic Lenovo style. Keys are slightly rounded and slightly curved, so you will be able to type quite fast, and you won't make mistakes. Space between keys is pretty okay. However, the keyboard is a little bit noisy, and I don't really particularly like the finish on these keys. Feels like a little bit cheap. Also, you have the trackpad here on the bottom. You can see that the trackpad is decently sized. It's quite big, and it comes with integrated click buttons. You can press like this and you will be able to click. And also you have dedicated click buttons on top for left, right click and the middle mouse, as well as the track point you have here, which is the standard track point you find on Lenovo's, and which I don't really like, I don't really use, but others that use it actually consider it a great device. And right here on the right you have a fingerprint reader. Also, the screen, it's like I said, a 12.5 inch display, 1366 by 768 pixel. I believe it's a 200 nits LCD, so it's pretty bright. Colors are quite okay, and you'll notice that the entire screen is covered in a single sheet of glass, which should be protective. And you can see that this glass goes above the screen and above the bezel around it, and it acts like protection, and also it's a nice stylish input here. And you'll notice that the screen comes with these chrome edges, which actually feels quite nice. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this edge is covered in chrome and actually looks quite okay. However, one thing about the screen, because of this glossy finish on top, it will be very glossy and reflectant, so using it outside will actually be quite painful. What we also have here are the speakers. They're placed here on top of the keyboard, and the power button right here. So it's pretty simple design. Keyboard is not illuminated, but by pressing Ctrl and space, you're going to have this small lamp here that will be useful while typing at night. Also, I wanted to show you this, that FN and control keys are replaced, so this might be a problem for those used with standard layouts. For instance, I for one use control a lot, and on this device I accidentally, when I try to press for instance Control A, I would press FN A and it wouldn't work. Also, the F keys on top, they come with all these functions, and you won't have to press FN and the F key in order to activate the function, because by default you can use them for this. For instance, right here I'm pressing this for adjusting screen brightness, and if I wanted to press F5, I would then have to use FN and F5 in order to press this. So it's reversed like on most other laptops. Okay, so this is pretty much all with the exterior of this device. Also should mention the webcam. There's a webcam here on top. Will be quite handy as well, with the microphone and all the things you would need. Also, we're going to take a quick look at performances and hardware.